running out fast. I think we have a 4 or 5 up here. They're up in the front. They're getting on it.
Turn 1, looks like Sony got the lead. There's a pass for, looks like Chad Mike got a real good start. Mike Hall into turn 1. Looks like we have Chad, Mike Hall, Editola, and Ray Thornton rounding out the turn 1. Troy and Jake coming down. Chad's going to look to get you back. Red lights go off, bikes take off. Looks like Dave got a good start. John Vargo all through. Matt Lower battling out in turn 1. Looks like we have John Vargo, Matt, and David. David's looking to make a move up on the inside down the back straight. Not this time. That's Dennis Parrish on that vintage bike coming up around these Super Twin races. Down the front straight. Close behind him is David Luck on bike 909. Third place we have Matt. Dennis Parrish is looking to come up the inside of Matt down the front straight.